Hello and welcome to this special shoot and this special program we bring to you from inside a classroom. Because this is what the future of a classroom would look like in most schools across India in a pandemic world. We come to you from the Shri Ram School in Mulsori in Gurgaon, where private schools have started reopening in a staggered manner. They are opening up in small batches, but it is a good start to bring back students to the classrooms because they have missed this room more than ever before. After 1 year, which most people are calling the gap year, students, parents and teachers are welcoming back students into the classroom at a time when there are worries and concerns about the COVID, but absolutely 100% measures being taken inside school campuses to ensure that the child is safe. Joining me right now are students, the teachers and the management of the school to tell us how it feels to be back inside a classroom. I'm going to first go to a student himself. Tell me your name, which class are you in and how excited are you to be back into a classroom?
My name is Kabir Gupta. I'm in grade 8. I'm really excited to come back to school because after almost 2 years of being online, we can finally come and look at everyone and interact with our teachers.
All right. So you're actually looking forward to interact with your friends, your teachers in person after a long time. Why don't you tell me what is your name and what is the one thing that you were looking forward to after coming back to classroom?
So my name is Samaya and I'm from grade 8 and I've been looking forward to meeting all my teachers and friends. And I'm really excited to be here today.
Really excited,
yeah.
And all with the masks on, which is very important. Students have been studying online for the last 1 year, a little over 1 year, and in this 1 year they've experienced all kinds of online challenges, whether it is internet issues, whether it is trying to interact with the teachers, all kinds of problems students have had to face when it comes to the online mode of classes. But at the same time, it was a new challenge for so many who were new to the entire system of online education. But to highlight a little bit about that, I want to understand from the teachers themselves, because it was a new concept for many across the country. Ms. Manika here, Ms. Manika, who is the director of the Shri Ram School here. Thank you for speaking to us. I want to ask you, and I want to begin by asking, how does it feel to come back to a classroom?
I think it feels absolutely fabulous, and we have to inspire that faith and that trust in our parent community and the student community. So we are raring to go till such time as the COVID strikes again, and we are very sure that if that were to happen, school will shut down. But till the going is good, we want to give our children the experience of coming back to school in very safe hands with their teachers around them, with all stringent, measured protocols in place. It feels very good, and the children are so happy. You can see it's almost a full class here.
Right.
So, and at safe distance, everyone's at a safe distance. And it's good for their mental health, it's good for our mental health. It's a good feeling.
It's a good feeling to be back. It is a good feeling to know that they're all coming back, because it also impacts one's emotional well-being, their mental well-being as well. I want to ask, ma'am, if you could introduce yourself to us, to the viewers, and tell us the importance of having these restrictions in place, the norms in place, yet going forward with the times that we live in. Basically, trying to live with the virus. How are we doing that in schools? What are the measures being taken here?
Namaste, I'm Manisha Malhotra and I'm the principal of the Mulsari campus at the Shri Ram School. It is very important that the children come back to school, as you've said, for their mental well-being, for them to interact with their teachers and their peers. So some of the measures that we have taken is following all the norms set by the government, whether it's social distancing, whether it's regular sanitizing which is being done. Also, we brought the children back in a staggered manner. So every day of the week a different form comes to school. They are being seated in large spaces so that they are together. And the parents who are not comfortable about sending the children to school, they can join in a hybrid fashion online, so they also don't miss out on the learning experience. Also, if you would go to our schools, even small things like the restroom, also the taps have been changed to foot taps. And the children are having their break time inside the classroom, cannot go out and play. That's something as a principal I feel very bad about, because physical well-being is also as important as emotional well-being. But in our own way, we are trying to do some yoga when they are in school. Also online, we have some yoga classes. And when they enter the school building in the morning, they're being allowed to come in one at a time.
Right.
We have a consent form that the parents fill up, that they are okay with their children coming to school. We have children filling up a self-declaration form. So they're also learning to be responsible citizens, that they owe it to themselves, their safety, as well as the safety of the teacher community, of the Shri community, that they take proper precautions, and if they've been traveling or they've experienced certain symptoms.
Let's speak about offline versus online. Now, while I've shown you that there is an offline class happening and that schools have reopened, but right in front of me, the screens in front of me will show you that simultaneously there are also the online sessions and the online classes that are being conducted. So this is to also ensure that if parents and if students are not comfortable coming back to the classroom, or if they are a little hesitant, then in that way they also have the online education available.
Namaste, I'm Rubina Singh. I'm the Cambridge coordinator here at the Malsari campus. And yes, at present I do see this as the way the classrooms will look like in the near future.
So students here looking forward to their classroom sessions, but yes, this time with masks on, with sanitizers right next to them on their benches, with social distancing, not sitting next to each other, protocols in place, measures in place taken by the school management. But this is what the schools have to say, that we cannot continue to live in fear. We have to learn to live with the virus, and at the same time, parents who are a little hesitant, students who are a little hesitant have the option to continue studying online. But those who want to return back to the classroom, the world is your stage. With camera person Sushil Rathi in Gurgaon, Shunakshi Chakravarti for NDTV.